Good morning, students. Now let us continue chapter 12, area related to circle. In the last class, we have discussed the question of exercise 12.1. Today we are discussing the questions of exercise 12.2. First question I am reading, exercise 12.2, question number 1, NCERT. Find the area of the sector of a circle with radius equal to 6 centimeter and if the angle of the sector is 60 degree. You are given that you have to find the area of the sector of a circle of radius r. R means radius 6 centimeter and sector angle we used to note as theta. Theta is equal to 60 degree. Now let us recall all the formula. Sector area means, what do you mean by sector? The part of a circle formed by two radius and the an arc and the two radius joining the end points of the arc. This is r and this is theta. Then sector area can be found out using the formula theta by 360 into pi r square. I am just recalling the formula. Segment area can be found out using the formula sector area minus respective triangle area. And next, length of r of a circle subtending an angle theta at the center and having radius small r is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. And in this mensuration chapter, your calculation speed should be up to the mark as well as should be accurate in doing calculation. Now, sector area is theta by 360, that is 360 by 360 into, you are given, unless and stated otherwise, use pi equal to 22 by 7. जब तक बोला नहीं जाए तब तक आपको pi का value 22 by 7 लेना है. In the exam, if you are given that you have to use the value of pi is 22 by 7, you have to use it instead of using 3.14. Examination में आपको question के साथ में पाई का वैल्यू दिया गया तो वो ही वैल्यू यूज करना, अदरवाइज मार्क नहीं मिलेगा. और इफ यू आर नॉट गिवन एनीथिंग इन द क्वेश्चन, नाउ इन दैट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन इफ r is given as a multiple of 7, you can use the value of pi as 22 by 7. अगर r का वैल्यू किसी भी चीज का वैल्यू 7 का मल्टीपल 22 by 7 मीन्स डिनोमिनेटर ही 7 मल्टीपल में दिया तो आप पाई का वैल्यू 22 by 7 ले सकते हैं, अदरवाइज 3.14. हियर यू आर आस्क्ड टू टेक पाई इज इक्वल टू 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into 6 into 6. This is cancelling. This is 2. This is 1. 11. This is 2. That means you are getting the value as 11 into 12. That is 132 by 7. 132 by 7 cm square. You have to write the unit also. In the book, the answer is given this much, but in the examination, I suggest you convert all the values in decimal form. If you change in decimal form, 1 8s are 1 7s are 7, 5 52s 8 7 1 7 132. That is 1 7s are 7 62, 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56. That is 60 and 60. 8 7s are 56. 40, 5 7 are 35. ऐसे आप डेसिमल में हमेशा वैल्यू निकालना. बुक में ऐसे दिया लेकिन आप एग्जाम में डेसिमल में फाइंड आउट करना. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Question number 2. Each and every question you have to do. I will give some question as homework. Find the area of the quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. You are given that circumference C is equal to 20 centimeter. Quadrant means what? Quadrant means 1/4 of a circle. That is, if you draw a circle like this, if you divide 4 parts, each part is called quadrant. Since the angle is 360 degree, total 360 degree, if you are dividing 360 to 4 parts, angle is 90 degree. Quadrant means theta is equal to 90 degree. You are asked to find the sector area of the quadrant. Area of the quadrant is in the form of sector. You can use the formula of circle as 1 by 4 pi r square. But I suggest you, since we are discussing the formula of sector, it is better to use it again and again so that you will get you will learn it by heartly. Now theta is 90 degree. From this you have to find radius. C equal to 22 centimeters. C means 2 pi r is equal to 22 centimeter. Now see, you can cancel directly. 2, 22, 11 implies r is equal to 11 by pi, that is 11 by 22 into 7, 22 into 7 numerator. That is cancelling, that is 7 by 2. Now see, we got the radius is 7 by 2 centimeters, so that you can use the value of pi in the formula of sector area as 22 by 7, since it is a multiple of 7 by 2. यहाँ आपको r 7 by 2 मिल गया. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन में पाई लेने को कुछ नहीं कहा गया, लेकिन यहाँ r 7 by 2 multiple of 7 आ गया, तो आप पाई का वैल्यू 22 by 7 ले सकते हैं. Now sector area. In each question, write the formula, that is very important. Theta by 360 into pi r square, that is 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into r is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. This is getting 4 times cancelled, that is 2. This is 11. This is getting cancelled, that is you are getting it as 77 by 8 centimeter square. 77 by 8 centimeter square. I told you convert each value in terms of decimal form, that you have to do by yourself. इसको decimal form में करने का काम आपको खुद करना चाहिए. But in the examination it is better to convert in decimal form. Next question is question number 3. The length of minute hand of a clock is 14. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. You know clock, minute hand, the longer hand, and you are given, if this is the clock, this is question number 3. If this is the clock, this is our hand, and this is minute hand. You are given the minute length of minute hand is 14 centimeter, and you are asked to find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. 5 minutes में ये 15 है, 12 clock, this is 5 मान लेते हैं. ये बीच का एरिया फाइंड आउट करना को कहा है. Now length of the minute hand is becomes radius. Now you have to find this angle. How we can find area for completing one complete rotation by minute hand? It will take how many hours? 60 minutes. 60 minutes में 360 degree angle बनाएंगे. तो 1 minute में कितना होगा? 360 by 60. How many minutes are given? 5 minutes. So that the required angle is 360 by 60 into 5. Angle made by minute hand in one rotation. Minute hand in one rotation. One rotation means 60 minutes. MTS means minutes, is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, angle, same thing is repeating. You can use inverted comma in 1 minute. MT means 1 minute, 360 by 60. But you are asked to find angle made by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Therefore, angle made by minute hand in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes is equal to 360 by 60 degree into 5. That is getting cancelled 6 times, 30 degree. Now radius is equal to length of minute hand, that is equal to 14 centimeter. Therefore, required area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes is equal to sector area. You have to find sector area. Sector area, first of all, write the formula, that is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. 30 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 40. If you cancel it, it will go 12 times. Then by cancellation, you will get at last you will get 11 into 14 by 3, that is 154 by 3 cm square. And you have to convert in decimal form. Next question is I am reading the question number 4. A chord of a circle of radius 10 cm subtend a circle right angle at the center. Find area of the corresponding minor segment, major segment. Use pi equal to 3.14. You are asked to find the area of minor segment and major segment of a circle of radius 10 cm with subtending a right angle at the center. In this type of question, it is better to draw the figure. Figure draw करना सही रहेगा. First of all, right angle बना रहे हैं, means this is 90 degree. and this is the sector. Let OAB be the sector, and this is the segment. And first of all, you are asked to find the area of minor segment and then area of major sector. Don't read it wrongly. Major sector and minor segment, and the radius is given as 10 centimeter. That means here theta is equal to 90 degree, r is equal to 10 centimeter. Now first of all, let us find sector area, because sector area is we have to use for finding segment area. Second part, sector area is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. You are asked to use pi, the value of pi equal to 3.14. That is 90 degree by 360 degree into 3.14 into 10 into 10. This is getting 4 times, that is 314 by 4. That means, sorry, you are asked to find major sector. We are finding the area of minor sector. We have to find, in order to find area of minor segment, you have to find area of minor sector minus area of triangle. So sector area you can write in bracket that is minor. That is 314 by 4, that is equal to 157 by 2 centimeters for this should be written. Now area, let us take the naming as, let it be x. Now area of minor segment is equal to sector area कौन सा लेना है, minor, minus area of triangle AOB. Now you can use RD formula also if you want. So this part is not second part, this is, we are doing first part. That is sector area minus 1 we have found out as 157 by 2 minus, since this is right triangle you can use the formula half bx, half 10 into 10 cm square. This is also cm square. You have to write the unit, that is 157 by 2 cm square minus 50 cm square. By taking LCM you get 157 minus 100 upon 2 cm square. That we will get as 57 by 2, that is 57 by 2 is equal to 28.5 cm square. This is the first part. Now second part, you are asked to find a length area of major sector. Since this is minor sector, what my angle of minor sector is 90. What will be angle of major sector? Just by subtracting 90 from 360. It is angle subtended by major sector is at the center of the circle is equal to, total angle is 360 minus angle of minor, that is 270 degree. You can use also the formula area of circle में से area of sector को minus कर सकते हैं, लेकिन since I told you we are using the sector formula sector area, it is better to use sector area. Similarly, in the first part you can use the formula of segment as pi theta by 360 minus sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 r square, as in RD Sharma. If you want you can do it. That means therefore area of major sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square, that is 270 by 360, angle is 270 into pi r square. What we are asked to take value of pi is given as 3.14 into 10 into 10. If you do the calculation, it will go, the zeros are getting cancelled, 3 9s are 27, 4 this is this one. Now, and this means 3 into 100 into 3.14, 314 upon 4. That means if you multiply this, you will get 3 into 78.5 cm square. You have to do by yourself. That is 23.55 cm square. This is the area of what I can say, area of the major sector. Let me check the answer once more. The answer is First part is it is 23, not 23, 235, sorry, 235. एक डेसिमल पॉइंट इधर से इधर नहीं होना चाहिए. That is why I am checking. 235.5 cm square. तो हर एक डेसिमल पॉइंट आपको अच्छी तरह ध्यान से करना चाहिए. एक डेसिमल पॉइंट गलती में पूरा क्वेश्चन गलत हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtend an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the length of arc, area of sector formed by the arc, area of the segment formed by the arc. In this question, you are given that there is a circle of radius 21 centimeter. Let me do in this one itself. आपको एक सर्कल दे रखा है. Let me draw once more. You are given a circle of radius 21 centimeter. Let it be 21 centimeter. And there is an arc which subtend an angle of 60 degree at the center. This is the arc AB, which is subtending 60 means little bit of higher one, which is subtending an angle of 60 degree at the center. You are asked to find length of arc, sector area, and respective segment area. That means you have to find length of arc, area of sector, and area of segment. Since this is 21, this is also 21. Now this is isosceles triangle OAB. Isosceles triangle के base angles भी equal होता है. 60 total है. तो that is in triangle, in isosceles triangle AOB, OA equal to OB implies angle OAB is equal to angle OBA. Now angle AOB is given as 60 degree, that is given. Now by angle sum property, I am showing this step, you can do it, write it directly. 60 degree plus angle OAB plus OAB equal to OBA. Angle OAB is equal to 180. That means that implies twice angle OAB is equal to 60 degree, 120 degree. 180 minus 60 is 120 degree, implies angle OAB is equal to 60. That means this is also 60 degree, this is also 60 degree. That means this triangle is forming which type of triangle? Equilateral. Then how we can find area of equilateral? Using the formula √3/4 L square. ये आप दिखाना तो दिखा सकते हैं, साइड में कर सकते हैं. Now theta is equal to 60 degree. First of all, write the thing that you are given. R is equal to 21 centimeter. Length of the arc का symbol है AB, is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. That is 60 by 360 into what you are given the value of pi. What is the value of pi given? Pi given as 22 by 7 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 centimeter. If you solve it, this is 6, this is 3, this is 7, this is again cutting, cancelling, that is 22 centimeter. Now second part is, first part is this one, second part is sector area. Sector area, again the formula theta by 360 into pi r square. That is 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into r square is 21 centimeter into 21 centimeter. And if you solve this question, you will get the answer is, let me check. You have to find the value of question number 5. You are asked to find the sector area, that is, if you do it, you will get it as 231 cm square. And third part is finding segment area, that is your homework. You can find segment area using sector area minus triangle area. Question number 6. Again, a chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter. Subtend an angle 60 degree at the center. Find the area corresponding minor segment and major segment. Minor segment and as well as major segment, you are asked to find the value. And question number 6 also I am giving as homework. I will just give you the steps. First step is you are given r equal to 15 centimeter. R आपको 15 centimeter दे रखा है. theta 360 degree you are given. You can find first of all, theta is 60 degree, theta 60 degree दिया तो आपको दिमाग में आना चाहिए ट्राइंगल क्या हो जाएगा, इक्विलैटरल ट्राइंगल. तो एरिया ऑफ minor segment, I will not do completely, I just give you the introduction. Minor segment is equal to minor sector area minus triangle area, that is theta by 360 into pi r square minus root 3 by 4 a square, since triangle is equilateral. And you can find the values, that is 60 by 360 into 360 degree, 22 by 7 into 15 into 15, 15 into 15 minus root 3. Root 3, you are given the value as root 3 is 1.73. 1.73 by 4 into r is 15 centimeter into 15 centimeter. You can find the value by calculation. I will not give the simplification part as well as answer. Now we can find major segment. मेजर सेगमेंट कैसे निकालेंगे, टोटल एरिया ऑफ सर्कल में से माइनस सेगमेंट का एरिया आपको माइनस करना है. दिस क्वेश्चन इज होमवर्क. नाउ इन दिस टॉपिक एंगल ऑफ 120 डिग्री as I told you yesterday is deleted, so that question 7 is not to be done, that is deleted, because central angle of 120 degree is deleted. तो क्वेश्चन 7 को करना नहीं है, वो डिलीटेड पोर्शन है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज question number 8. Question number 8. There are a number of questions. I am reading the question. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of the square-shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of 5 meter long rope. The first part, find the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. Graze means charna. The increase in grazing area, the rope per 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. How we can find this? You are given there is which shape you are given? You are given a square field. Let me draw the figure. आपको एक स्क्वायर फील्ड दे रखा है. In one corner of horse is tied with a rope of 5 meter. इसमें एक घोड़े को बांध रखा है 5 मीटर लंबाई में, लंबाई का रस्सी से. तो horse can move like this. If horse can move like this, the area will be in which shape? The area will be in form. The region will be in the form of sector. And since it is square, this angle is 90 degree and radius is length of the rope. That is theta is equal to 90 degree. Reason, angle of a square. Now radius is equal to 5 meter. That is length of rope. Area over which the horse can graze. The horse can graze is equal to sector area, that is, first of all write the formula, theta by 360 into pi r square, and you have to take the value of pi is, that is 3.14 in second part. Now let us take 22 by 7 in first part, because it is 5. Let me check once more. That is let us take the value of that is theta is pi is 3.14 that you are given. That theta is 90 by 360 degree into 3.14 into 5 meter into 5 meter. देखिए ये कैसा दिया, क्योंकि 5 is not a multiple of 7. If you solve it, अगर आप इसको solve करेंगे, this will go 4 times. 3.14 into 25, and then you will solve it, you will get the answer as 19.625 meter square. This is the first part. Now what is the second part? If the length of the rope is increasing to 10 meter, अगर रस्सी को 10 meter तक आगे बढ़ा दिया, that means horse can grow this much area. Then what is the difference in area over which the horse can graze? Then this becomes again 5, that is total length is 10 meter. That inner radius is the horse can graze this much area more than the previous case. That means again theta will come as 90 degree. The inner radius can be written as small r1 is 5 meter. Outer radius small r2 is 5 plus 5, that is 10 meter, because the length of the rope is increased to 10 meter. Then what you are asked to put, increase in the grazing area. Therefore, the increase in grazing area, grazing मतलब चरना, in grazing area is equal to area of bigger sector minus area of smaller sector. बिगर सेक्टर में से स्मॉलर सेक्टर का एरिया माइनस करना है. नाउ फॉर्मूला इज थीटा बाई 360 into pi r1 square, because we have taken the radius of the smaller sector is r1, minus theta by 360 into pi r2 square. Now I am going to show you a simple method. In these two terms, pi theta by 60 is coming common, so that you can take it outside common factor. जैसे मैंने कल बोला था, मेंसुरेशन में जब भी आपको फॉर्मूला आएगा, फॉर्मूला को सिंप्लीफाई करके ही वैल्यू पुट करना, ताकि यू विल नॉट मेक एनी मिस्टेक. दैट इज r1, आउट एरिया ऑफ बिगर मीन्स दिस इज r2, बिगर का r2 है, स्मॉलर का r1 है. दैट इज r2 स्क्वायर माइनस r1 स्क्वायर. दैट मीन्स पाई थीटा बाई 360 into, suppose that if you are given these values as big, then you can use a plus b into a minus b for making your calculation simple, so that you will get. Now you can put the values. Pi is given as 3.14 into 90 degree by 360 degree into r2 and r1 is 10 plus 5 into 10 minus 5. 10 plus 5 into 10 minus 5. That is, this becomes 4. That is 3. Let me check once more. That is 3.14. That is 3.14 into 50 into 5 by 4. If you solve it, you will get it as 58 point. Let me check the answer from the book. 58.875. 58.875 meters square. Since it is a length of rope is given in meter, you have to write in meter square. This is question number 8. Next question is question number 9. A brooch is made with a silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters, which divide circle in 10 equal sectors, as in the figure. Find the total length of the silver wire used, the area of each of the sector of the brooch. You are given question number, which one is 9. You are given a circle, and circle is divided into how much sector? 10 sector. 10 sector में circle को divide कर रखा है like this. I am trying to draw the figure. You can draw the figure from the book easily. There will be a diameter. This is the circle that you are given. सर्कल आपको दे रखा है, एक डायमीटर दे रखा है. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ड्रॉ दिस टू. द कंस्ट्रक्शन, द फिगर इज लिटिल बिट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. फिगर थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. विदाउट फिगर यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग. दैट इज आई एम ड्रॉइंग द फिगर. 2 brooches are like this. Again one brooch is like this and one brooch is like, one line is like this. थोड़ा समझना आप, ऐसा इसको बना रखा है. थोड़ा इसका लेंथ भी एक जैसे होना चाहिए, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. जस्ट फॉर मेकिंग यू अंडरस्टैंड, आई एम ड्रॉइंग द फिगर. नो नीड ऑफ ड्रॉइंग द फिगर. फिगर ड्रॉ करना इतना जरूरी भी नहीं है. तो ये सारे आपका ये ब्रूच एक जैसे दिखना चाहिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ब्रूचेस है. That means 10 sectors है. That is angle number of sectors is equal to 10. Therefore, angle made by one sector at the center is equal to 360 degree by 10. That is 36 degree. Sector angle you got. Now you are asked to find first part, total length of the wire that is used. Total length of the wire is first circumference, and there are 5 diameters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Length of the wire is equal to length of the wire required is equal to circumference plus how many diameters are there? 5 diameter. That is 5 diameter. That is circumference is 2 pi r plus 5 diameter, and we are not converting the radius because diameter is given directly as 35. That means if you put the value 2 into 22 by 7 into 35 mm by 2 plus 5 into 35 mm. Now if you solve this, this will get cancelled. This will get cancelled 5 times. 110 mm plus 175 mm. That is 285 mm. This is the answer of first part, 285 mm. We have to check the answer from the book also, and that I am doing. The first part is 285 mm. Next part is you have to find the area of each of the sector. Each of the sector means how many sectors are there? 10 sector. You have to find area of one sector. Again, theta is equal to 360. This is second part, and r is equal to 35 mm. Therefore, area of each sector, one sector, area of each sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. That is, theta is not 360, sorry, 36 degree. Theta is given as, we found as, let me check once more, theta we found as 36, not 360. 360 है तो ये sector बनेगा ही नहीं. That is 36 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 35 into 35 mm square. मिलीमीटर में दे रखा तो आंसर भी मिलीमीटर में आएगा. If you solve this, I am not giving anything. If you get, this is 10, that is 5, again 11, that is 7. You will get the answer is 385 by 4 mm square. If you solve this, you will get this as, let me check. If you solve this, you will get this as, this is the question number 9. You will get this as 385 by 4. उसको change करेंगे तो 96.25 millimeter square आएगा. But in book it is given as 385 by 4, but you have to change in what I can say in decimal point. This is question number 9. Next, question number 10. I am reading the question. This is the question based on umbrella. I can't draw the figure. I will just explain you. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella is to be a flat circle of radius 45 cm, find the area between 2 consecutive ribs. An umbrella is there, इसमें 8 ribs है. Ribs means umbrella के ऐसे आता है. I am not perfect in इस तरह जो होता है इसको ribs कहते हैं. That is in the form of sector. There are 8 ribs. So that angle made by, this is the umbrella in the shape of circle. Angle made by 8 ribs. Angle made by 8 ribs means complete angle, that is 360 degree. Now you have to find angle made by one rib, because you are asked to find angle between 2 consecutive ribs. Angle made by one rib, made by 2 consecutive ribs. 2 consecutive ribs. Consecutive ribs is equal to 360 by 8 degree by 8. If you divide it, you will get it as 45 degree. And the radius you are given as 45 centimeter. Therefore, required area is equal to sector area, that is theta by 360 into pi r square, that is 45 degree by 360 degree into pi r square is 22 by 7 into 45 centimeter into 45 centimeter. If you solve this, you will get the answer as, it is given in fractional form. In the book it is given in fractional form and given in a decimal form as 795.53 centimeter square. इसको आप solve करके देखना, decimal में ही निकालना है. In the book it is given as 2275 upon 28. This is complicated. It is better to change in decimal point. Next question is question number 11. Question number 11 is homework. That same pattern I will not do. Question number 12. I am reading the question. To warn the ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spread a red colored light over a sector angle of 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Find the area over which the two ships are warned. In sea, the ships are warned by lighthouse, and light is going in this way, which make an angle of 80 degree, and radius is given as 165 किलोमीटर. लाइट इस तरफ लाइट का ट्रांसमिशन हो रहा है दो रेस के, एंड स्प्रेड कलर्ड लाइट का बीच का एंगल 80 डिग्री बन रहा है और रेडियस 165 किलोमीटर के हिसाब से. एंड यू आर आस्क्ड टू फाइंड एरिया ओवर द शिप्स कैन बी वॉर्न. एरिया ओवर विच the ships can be worn. The ships can be worn is sector area, that is theta by 360 into pi r square. Now theta, what is theta? Theta is given as you are given the value of theta is 80 degree upon 360 degree. 80 degree upon 360 degree. You are asked to take pi is equal to 3.14. Pi का value 3.14 लेने को कहा है into 165 kilometer into 165 kilometer. If you do the calculation, अगर आप इसका calculation करेंगे, you will get in the book again the answer is given in the decimal form, that is 189.97 kilometer square. You have to do the calculation by yourself. I am not going to give the calculation. Last question of this exercise. There are two questions remaining. 14 question is MCQ that you have to do by yourself. I will give you the solution of question number 13. मैं 13 question number कराऊंगी. 14 आपको खुद करना है. That is very simple, that you can do by yourself. Now I am reading the question. The question 13 is. Let me check for more question. Any question is left? No. Question number 13 is, I am reading the question. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in the figure. The radius of the cover is 28 centimeter. Find the cost of making the designs at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. You are given a cover table. This is question number 13. 14 is homework. You are given a circle and there are 6 designs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is the design area. Here design area equal है, इसका length equal दे रखा है, and the radius of the cover 6 design से बनाया हुआ है. Radius of the cover is 28, and you are asked to make the cost of design. So how we can find this? Since these all are chords, equal chords obtain equal angle at the center. This is O center. This is again. There are 6 sectors coming. Total angle is 360 degree. So that angle made, if you draw this figure like this, you will get that this is 60 degree. ये 60 degree आ रहा है. And radius you are given as 28 centimeter. आपको radius दे रखा है, ढंग से बनाना है. And radius दे रखा है 28 centimeter. तो angle made by one sector, since there are how many designs? 6 design, that is 360 total angle by 6, that is 60 degree. R is equal to 28 centimeter. Now you have to find the area of design. Since there are 6 design, first of all we will find area of one design and multiply by 6. How we can find area of one design? Area of one design is equal to area of segment. सेगमेंट का एरिया है, यहाँ 60 आता है तो ये पूरा इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल बनेगा. दैट इज वन डिजाइन का निकालते, दैट इज थीटा बाय 360 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर माइनस द फॉर्मूला ऑफ दिस इज √3/4 a square since triangle is equilateral. That means if you write the value 60/360 into pi is given as, what is the value of pi? 22/7. Let me check. y का वैल्यू 22/7 ही दे रखा है. r is 28 into 28 minus √3. √3 is given as 1.7 by 4 into a square is 28 square. इसको वैसे छोड़ देंगे. अब 6 का निकालना है. Therefore area of 6 design इस निकालने के लिए क्या करेंगे, इसको 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फिर cos से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. That is, let me check. That is, if you multiply this by 6, you will get the value of this one as, let me do this, let me rub it. That is 6 into, I am not doing any calculation, 60 by 360 into 22/7 into 28 into 28 minus, लास्ट में एक साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 4 into 28 square. Now if you solve this, you will get the value as 6 into 60 by 360, 22/7, 28 into 28 minus √3/4, that means 1.7 into 28 centimeters square. You will get the answer as, I am not showing the step, but you will get the answer as 464. With this you have to do by yourself. 464.8 cm square. This is the total area. Now what is the cost of design per cm square? cm square कितना दे रखा आपको? Cost of design per cm square is given as, let me rub it, सारे calculation you have to do by yourself, is given as 0.35 rupees. Therefore total cost of the design is equal to 464.8 into 0.35 rupees, and if you solve this, you will get the answer as rupees 162.68. That is rupees, this is question number 13, 162.68 rupees. So rupees I have written. तो इस क्वेश्चन में सबसे पहले क्या करना है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ वन डिजाइन, दैट इज एरिया ऑफ सेगमेंट. उसको एज इट इज छोड़ दिया, उसके बाद 6 के लिए 6 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, फिर आंसर निकाला 464.8, देन मल्टीप्लाइड बाय कॉस्ट, दैट इज 464.8 into 0.35, that is rupees 162.68. And to this much is the question related to exercise 12.2. 2-3 question I have given you homework, including the last question MCQ. Do all these questions. If you have any queries, you can ask me. Thank you.